Selamat datang. Welcome to the Kota Lodge Hotel in Malacca, Malaysia. Now, let me show you the room we stayed in last night, which is here. Okay, we have one bed, single bed. We have a table and chair. Put the bin in the corner. PowerPoint. Just got our blueberries this morning from just across the road. There is a market, which is very good. We have our travelling onion or incense sticks. We have a small unit for breakfast cereal, our brown sugar, our coffee container or cup, our little porridge bowl, which is a rice bowl. This one, travelling heater, so heat water. We do have our coffee as well in here, 100% coffee. Now, we don't use beds still, so we've used it just to put clothing on, and we slept in our pod. We simply pop the pod out and we lay this way in the pod. We lay down, had just over 4 hours sleep, and that is plenty. A fan on the ceiling, hooks, fan control, light, power, hot water, light, and we have a lovely shower room, hot water, toilet, shower cream is here, and we have a sink, mirror, so everything one could need. Now, this room we booked on Agoda, and we got a slight discount, I believe, through Agoda. We paid 160.11, 160.11 total ringgits for 4 nights here. That was including taxes and fees. As for our bookings, we had discount rate applied, I believe. However, if you walk in, I believe paying cash, you will still get the same rate, which comes in at 40 ringgits per night. 40, 80, 120, 160. Converting that into Great British pounds, it's just under £30. So say just under £7.50 per night. I believe £7.31 to be exact. So that's per night for this room. No, I don't believe there is air conditioning in this room. I don't use air conditioning. Air conditioning, it dries out the skin. We have a fan here. Now, what I'm going to show you is I decided to get fresh air because I do need air, oxygen to breathe and sunlight to live. Prana, grow healthy, wealthy and wise. So we decided to do a room upgrade. Yes, we did. A room upgrade. So let me show you where we're going. Let's go. We have toilet, shower, sink, basin, mirror, light, we have, I believe, king size bed, towels. We have our new workstation, mirror, cabinet, and the main feature, air, oxygen. Fresh air. Yes, this is what we wanted, fresh air, so we can breathe. And for the room upgrade, we paid an extra 15 ringgits per night, and I believe you can negotiate walk-in rates, cash. Because we paid for an extra 2 on the end of our stay at 50 ringgits per night. So 50 to 60 ringgits, depending where you book online or come walk in, pay cash, and you will be able to get a room with air and a view. That is the market, it's just there, fruit market. Food and fruit, vegetables. We did move the bed, and the same in the original room to give us room for our pod for meditation and laying down meditation. Some would call it sleeping. And we are all set up in our new room. Let's have a look. Windows, air, and a view. If you've been watching today's video, then please give us a like. If you could share, help Breatharian Travels grow. And please do remember to subscribe. Yes, I'll see you all on the next video. Hop and cap.